how to record screen and webcam at the same time in OBS Studio. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your OBS Studio. And first things first, under sources, go to the plus icon and then tap on display capture to share your whole screen. So you can select what you want to share, hit OK. And now to add webcam, you need to go to the plus icon again. And then you can see video capture device. Tap on it and it will open up your camera. So after it has opened up your camera, you can hit OK. Now this is what your camera and the display screen will look like. You can just decrease the size of your camera if you want to. So there you go. That's how you record screen and then your camera at the same time. You can just hit start recording. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.